Welcome back to Dad's Dojo, everybody. Happy New Year. Hope you had a great holiday. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the TP-Link AV2000. This is the pass-through power line starter kit. This model is the TPLink. So this is the newer generation they call the AV2. You're supposed to be able to get up to 2,000 megabytes per second. You're going to be able to stream 4K, do all kinds of gamings and have multiple devices connect at the same time and be able to do all that through these two adapters. They also have this other technology called 2x2 MU-MIMO, which is basically a multi-in, multi-out. So if you're not familiar with these power line adapters, the concept behind it, it's going to use your electrical wiring that's in your home currently and use that copper wiring to pass through a network connection through the adapters. So once you hook up the adapters, you have one end connected to your router and then the other end to any other room that you would like to pass data through. You also have the ability to connect multiple units in a home. So what I mean by that is you can purchase another pair and set those up to connect them all together so you can pass through multiple connections in multiple areas in your home. So your results with these power line adapters, it's going to rely heavily on your existing wiring in your home. So if you have an older home with crappy wiring and if things aren't grounded properly, or if you have a lot of interference in between the circuits, then you're going to have a lot of mixed results. You're probably not going to get that dependability and speeds that you're looking for when you're using these adapters. So let's open the box and let's see what we have inside. So that's pretty much it. Like I said before, you get your two adapters. You got your point A, point B. And then you have two Ethernet cables that it comes with. So you plug in one to your router, one on the other end, wherever you want to plug into, any devices, anything that you want to plug and play. And then you got your instruction manual. We're going to do some basic tests on a PS4 and laptop that's strictly on Wi-Fi. So we're going to do some tests on the Wi-Fi only on a PS4 and laptop. We're just going to do a speed test. We're going to do some downloads, see what kind of speeds we get only on Wi-Fi. Then we're going to plug in these, we're going to do the same tests, and we're going to see the differences. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the Ethernet cable pretty much hooked up directly into my router. So right here, and then we have one adapter that we're going to take. So you get two ports on this model, so you can hook up two things at once if you needed to. And then basically what's going to happen is once we plug it in, we're going to get some LEDs here. And then we're going to have to pair it with the other unit that's going to be on another level. So we're going to pair it by pressing on the button. I believe it's for 1 or 2 seconds. And then we press it on this unit and then we'll go up to the other unit and then press the pair button again. And then it should pick it up and then pretty much we should be good to go and be able to plug in the Ethernet on both ports and we're up and running. Now, another good thing with this unit, you're still going to be able to use your outlet here. So they give you basically a pass-through, so that way you can still use your outlet. And here are the LEDs that I was talking about. And right here is the pair button. So we're going to go ahead and hold that for 1 second. And there we go, we're blinking. So now we're ready to pair the other unit. All right, so we have the other unit here. We're gonna plug this in on another level. Now we're gonna pair it. Take note, you do have to do this within 2 minutes of pressing the other pair button on the other unit. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So once we get a green LED, so now we're gonna press the pair button. And then there we go. So once you have that second LED, that's going to let you know they're both paired and you can start passing through your network. So here we have an internet connection test on the PS4. As you can see, the power line was going over 100 megabytes and I was getting nowhere near that on the Wi-Fi. Also did a download test, downloading a game off the PS Store. As you can see here, the Wi-Fi was taking over 92 minutes to download a 12 gigabyte file and the power line was only going to be about 9 to 13 minutes. So I had my son play Fortnite on the PS4 and you can see here on the left on the Wi-Fi, it is all over the place. I was losing packets. The ping was fluctuating all over the place. It was not stable at all. And on the power line, there was no packets lost. The ping was under 10 and it was super smooth. Now this next clip is a speed test on the laptop. The power line just blows it out of the water. I have a 300 up and 300 down in my house. So this was the final test that I did. It was a 1 GB download on the laptop. As you can see here on the Wi-Fi, it was definitely taking way too long. Using that TP-Link Powerline, it was super quick. I was getting over 10 megabytes per second. I've had this installed for about a week now, and my experience with it has been great. I've been super happy with it. Everything has been much faster and more reliable, and definitely better all around. So I think this is going to be a great alternative to anyone who is renting a home or doesn't have the funding to run, wiring and make all kinds of holes and go crazy to run a couple of network lines. It definitely works. You're definitely going to see some better speeds than you would on Wi-Fi. It is reliable, and I think it's a great buy for under $100. You can increase your speeds, and you can get some more reliable connection throughout your home. Running a network cable is always gonna be better, but this is another alternative to get some higher speeds in your home. So that's gonna wrap up this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in this product, I'll put the link in the description below so you can head to the Amazon page. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, give me those thumbs up, put some comments below if you have any questions or any comments about this product, and I'll catch you guys later.